guys to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Polaroid wall. I've been thinking about doing a Polaroid wall for like ever because I don't know, it's so cute. So I'm gonna be putting it on this wall. I thought of like many other areas in my room, but like I don't know, it makes sense because it's like plain behind the door. I was gonna do it like on the mirror, like on the door near the mirror, but it didn't make sense. So I'm just gonna do it on this wall over here, this blank wall. I bought these mounting squares that are, but first I'm gonna collect all the Polaroids I have around my room. Mostly I have them on my corkboard, but I'm just gonna have to like take all that down. It's probably gonna look plain afterwards, but I'll get more film after this. I think there's 2 more in here. I might take pictures today because there should be 30 altogether. So I'm probably do like a 5x6. So let me take this out so you guys can see that this is the wall that I'm going to be putting the pictures on. I was thinking of doing it here, but I don't know. It's too crowded over here. So I'm just gonna do it over here. So up here I have like more Polaroids. So I'm just gonna take all them down. I have other stuff too, like movie tickets that I've been to, freaking prom and all that. But like, I'm just gonna take all these down. Guys, I totally forgot. I have one on the back of my phone. So this looks plain now. I have these photos over here. Hopefully it counts 30. And then now I'm just gonna take the rest of pictures that's in here. And I don't know, I'm gonna take a picture of, but hopefully, yeah. I have 2 more in here. So I'm gonna take 2 pictures and get back with you guys. Okay, so I just took one, it's developing, and I'm about to take another one. And it wouldn't be a Polaroid video if I didn't take a Polaroid picture on the video. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna do this one. The other one was, oh, it's developing. Ooh. Okay, it's kind of weird because the flash is on and it looks bad. Okay. Oh Lord. I'm scared. So this is officially out of film. So I'm gonna need to buy some more. I clicked it for nothing. Okay. But I'm gonna need to buy some more, and yeah. Now I'm just gonna start my Polaroid roll. Okay, so I'm missing 2 Polaroids, so I only have 24. So I'm probably gonna do this a different way. I'll probably do like 4x7 or something like that. 28 lined up here, so I'm just gonna start putting them up. This one is actually perfect because this one has 16, this one has 16, 32. And I'm hoping that this will look good. I'm gonna spread it out, obviously, but you know, it's kind of small over here. But if you imagine this like right over there, it's gonna, okay, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna get started and see how it goes. And I'm gonna be so like OCD because I want everything to be straight on the wall and like everything like parted out. It's just gonna be okay, guys, so basically these come off so easily, so you just have to peel it off like that. And so I'm just gonna take each little photo and, you know, turn it around and place it on there directly. And I'm just gonna do that first, and then once I get to the wall, I will peel this off and stick it. So I only put 4 up, and I think I'm gonna do more of a gap, like going down, but overall, I think it's gonna look bomb. Especially, obviously I'm gonna take more, I'm just gonna fill it in afterwards. Like this whole wall is probably gonna be filled in with like more pictures, but for now, this is what I got. Okay, I am done finally, and oh my gosh, it just looks so good, and I can't wait to take more. So I was thinking of putting actually like a good vibe sign right there, like a pink good vibe sign. It just looks so good at night because I have lights even on this flower here, flower mirror, and oh my gosh, just amazing. Okay guys, so I am done with this Polaroid wall. I hope you guys liked it. It was really quick and really simple. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.